30th of December 2019. We're in Northumberland. It's windy, as you can probably hear. We're going up the Cheviot today, which is up there somewhere. So, county top of Northumberland. Here we come. Just walking up the valley. Still windy. It's going to be a hell of a wind when we get up. We're looking forward to that, aren't we?
Oh yes.
Pretty valley. Nice little farmhouse back there. Why didn't we do this in the summer?
Wow, no wind for a second. It's looking pretty foggy up top. Low cloud.
Hill, the Cheviot, someone's house. Yeah, I think we can go that way. We'll have a look. Yeah, someone's house, all the way up here. Who would live in a house like this?
Somebody who wants isolation.
I'm going to get a picture of me falling as well. There's a rock down there. Ooh, sponge. Well, the rock's going to be steady, he says. Don't know what you're worried about, people. Still going up. River's shrunk a bit. Heading up into the gap. Oh. Bit of a runny nose. You all right, darling?
Yeah.
Oh.
Slow and steady climb up now, I feel.
Won't be that slow in a minute. It'll be quite steep in a minute. Still on our way up. Unlike us, I think. We come up over there, we've had to cross the river a couple of times, which looks quite easy, but all those rocks are incredibly slippery. And we are in the cloud. It doesn't look like it. You look at my jacket, it's soaking. So I've quite enjoyed this one so far. It's windy. That's where we're going. Go up here and then round. Still climbing. Just met some people coming the other way and they said it is absolutely atrocious on the tops. Well, that was no surprise. got to the source of the river. Down here. Just got top of the valley. Just made the fence. And now we just trot alongside the fence up there. Brilliant views, as you can see. When we get up top there, we'll be able to see the North Sea in that direction, and we'll be able to see the Lake District over there. Langley Hope 2.5, Langleford, which is where we come from, 3.5 miles, Cairn Hill, 1/4 mile. As you can tell, it's a little bit windy. Just coming to the top, Scotsman's Cairn will be over there. Whew. I think we come to the top, we've had a couple of false summits. Should be joining the Pennine Way. In fact, that looks like Scotsman's Cairn there. Bog. Do we like bog? Whew. Scotsman's Cairn. Cheryl. Although, I don't think you can see her yet. Alright. Scotsman's Cairn. Cheviot summit is 3/4 mile that way. Right. Oh, wind's died. I haven't seen any of this on other people's videos. I've just seen nice sunny stone walk up top there. Snow! Go and do a snow angel. Don't actually get to it. Where are we, darling? Yep.
We are at the Cheviot summit.
Which you can't see yet. Highest point in Northumberland, and allegedly one of the ugliest trig points in the country. Bags of rubbish everywhere. Ooh. No, they're bags of heather, which you can only assume that they're planting to try and soak up some of the...
No wind, quick! Feel the appreciation for the trig points.
Well, Lake District is that way. Looks amazing.
You're about to lose your hat.
North Sea, over there.
What a beautiful view.
Oh.
Right.
On our way down, some kind of screedy, bouldery, fieldy things. Really slippery and horrible. Just to keep me moaning. On some more snow. Are you going to make a snow angel then? Pardon? Oh, there's a... I don't think we'll bother. Well, that's where we've been. Up there.
You can't actually see it.
Just there. And we went up there. And round, down, and then down here. The car's parked over there. And it's ever such a fine, wet, horrible, drizzly rain. Right. Oh, pretty much down now. I think we've got about half hour's walk back to the car. Along a nice path. So I think we should have a coffee.
I think so too.
Yeah, just come down from Scold Hill, which was horrible, wet and boggy.
That sums up the entire walk. Apart from walking through the valley and looking, look, it's clear over there.
Yeah, it looks like it's been a nice day everywhere else. Almost back in the car. Looks like it's cleared. Because there was definitely cloud on that one when we came up this morning. That was Cheryl farting, but you probably didn't hear it. There's the farm that we walked past earlier, that I mentioned and didn't show you. I just heard a strange noise.
Don't know what that was.
Ah, right. So, that's the river that we followed up to the source. By that Scotsman's Cairn.